Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on spec-driven development presented by your mentor Vivek. Let's get into the phase one, the setup wizard. Before the first spec, the why, ask an agent to build the whole app start to finish and it fails. Context erodes. Errors pile up uncorrected. It inherits bad habits. Phases 1 to 4 look fine, and by phase 30, the project is a disaster. So the rule is brutal and simple. One feature per phase. Phase 1, the installation wizard. The wizard objective. Okay. The objective, hybrid style. A sentence, not a form. A studio owner downloads the WorkshopHub package, uploads it to their hosting, and follows a series of steps. By the end, the website is live and they are standing in the admin dashboard with the most important data already in place. Notice that one opening sentence already covers the feature name and the objective. Hybrid-SDD at work. Inputs part 1. Now the inputs. First screen. The wizard creates the database automatically. The owner enters server, database name, user, password, connection details, done. Then the owner's private login trio, email, phone, password, marked in the spec as private, used only for logging in, and the security rule written explicitly. One user, no public registration, ever. You install, you log in, that's the entire user model. Now let's take a look at public basics and photo. Okay. The public have the studio name and a tagline, Pottery Studio in Portland. That kind of line, a booking phone and email, deliberately separate from the login details, main services and the about text specialities, plans and prices for online and in-person sessions, availability, optional at this stage, and the studio's address. Plus a photo upload, and the spec even says the wizard screen should suggest a plain background. And one calming rule for the owner: everything here can be edited and expanded later in the dashboard. The wizard also includes theme selection, 5 visual themes. We give the agent the one in base visual theme and tell it build the other 4 from that base and the output wizard finishes. Data is in the database and the owner lands in the dashboard. And the meta lesson. Notice what we did not write, how to build any of this. That's deliberate. The implementation plan will think through the how and break it into tasks. The spec's job is context and boundaries. The plan's job is engineering. Phase 1, spec. Complex enough to matter, small enough to survive. One more feature and it would probably crash. So we stop exactly here. Up next, phases 2 to 4. Login, dashboard shell, availability, and booking. So until next video, goodbye, take good care of yourself, and peace out.